Welcome everyone. Let's begin this practice by sitting on your mat with your legs crossed or in any comfortable position. Keeping your back straight, roll your shoulders back, relax your neck, and rest your hands on your knees or your thighs. Taking in a deep breath in from your nose and a deep breath out from the mouth. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Allow yourself to ground into this present moment. Be completely here, not only with your body, but slowly bring your mind and your concentration, your focus into this moment. Notice any sounds or any smell in the room. Notice the sensation of your body sitting on the ground, your skin touching the floor. Notice the heaviness of your body, the space that it is occupying in this room. And activating all of your senses, just becoming aware of where you are right now. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Bring your focus from the outside environment into your inside environment. Noticing how you're feeling today. What brought you on this mat in this practice? Just take a moment here to really feel anything you may ignore during the day, whatever you're feeling, whatever emotions that are coming in your body, in your heart, in your mind. So just allow yourself in this moment, in this presence, to observe anything. And become a silent watcher of anything that is happening within yourself, whether that is negative or positive, whether these are worries or stress. Just observe them from the outside as if you were watching a movie. You don't need to analyze the situation. You don't need to comment your thoughts, your emotion. You are completely free to feel. You are completely free to express and feel. Bringing your focus into your breath feeling the air coming into your nose with every inhale, and with every exhale, feeling the air going out. Just bring your focus back onto your breath, into the calm and peace. And during the whole practice, allow your breath to guide you and to guide your movement. Taking one last inhale and exhale, slowly open your eyes. So let's start today in standing at the center of the mat. Stand with your feet together, shoulders roll back, back straight, pelvis tilt in, and bring your left foot into your right inner thigh. If this is difficult, you can keep your foot lower. Bring the hands at the heart center, palms against each other, and focus on one point in front of you. So again, if the balance is hard, you can lower your foot to your shin or your calf muscles, and then slowly release your arms. And let's go on to the other side. So now bring your right foot to your left inner thigh, and bring the hands at the heart center, palms against each other. Focus on one point in front of you, and make sure that your left foot is straight and strong, grounded on the floor. Open your chest, straighten your back. This is an amazing posture to strengthen your legs and also bring balance. So now release the posture, come back to the center of the mat, standing tall in Tadasana. And let's do that once more. Bringing the left foot to your groins, the palm joining each other. And this time with the inhale, bring the arms up. The palms are joined against each other. And allow yourself to open your lungs, open the rib cage, and exhale, hands down at the heart center. Release the posture. Let's go to the other side. Bring the right foot to your inner groin, the palms against each other, and inhale, arms up. Imagine that you're creating space in between each of your rib bones in your rib cage, and taking a deep inhale into your lungs. Allow all the air to come in, and exhale, slowly release your hands. Come back to center. Now spread your feet apart, about 1 foot to 2 feet distance. And point your right foot to the right and the left foot also slightly to the right. Spread your arms apart. And with the exhale, just bring your upper body towards the right, bringing your right hand to your right shin and your left hand up, looking up towards the sky, creating a beautiful triangle with every corners of your body, your legs, your upper body. Inhale and exhale, slowly release. Keep the arms like this, and let's turn to the other side. So left foot pointing towards the left, right foot also pointing towards the left. And with the exhale, bring your right hand to your right shin. And with the left hand, now bring it up toward the sky. If you can, looking up, creating space again into the lungs, welcoming each air in, and exhale, release, go deeper. And slowly exhale, come back to center. Point your foot to center and release your arms. And back to center into Tadasana. Now let's move to the front of the mat. Inhale, bringing both of the arms up toward the sky. And exhale, complete forward folds. Bend your knees. Just allow yourself to relax here. And with the inhale, bring the right foot to the back, right knee on the floor. Bringing both of your hands on your left knee, and inhale, bring both of the arms up. So just really feel the nice stretch here in the inner thighs, especially on the right side. Your arms are strong, stretched up, and you can even look up. And exhale, slowly release. Bring both of the hands to the floor. Tuck your toes, lift your hip and knee, and go to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch your legs, straighten your legs. And this time, bring the right foot to front and bring your left knee on the ground. And with the next inhale, you will bring both of the arms up toward the sky, stretching yourself completely, feeling the nice stretch in your inner thighs and the legs. And you can slightly bend yourself back, looking up toward the sky, feeling the nice stretch in the upper body. And exhale, bringing both of the hands down, tuck your toes, and bring the right leg back, going to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring both of the heels down, bring your hips to your heels, and open your knees wide apart. And let's go to child pose with your knees apart to give a nice stretch in the inner thighs, opening this hips area, allowing to really open and bring every breath into the muscles, into the hips. Just rest yourself here, taking a moment to relax. Relax your upper body, relax your lower body. Lengthen the spine, lengthen your arms. And slowly come back up, lift yourself up into seated position. And come to the center of the mat. And make sure here that you're sitting grounded on your sitting bones. And now extend both of your legs outward towards the outside of the mat. Widen as much as you can, and you can either stay here up with the back straight, taking a deep inhale in, or with the exhale, you can come down to your elbows. You can really do how you feel. The most important is not how far you go, but it is really about how do you feel in this posture. So you might feel a really nice gentle stretch, a gentle release in the inner thighs and the whole leg. With every exhale, just allow yourself to release even deeper and deeper. With every breath in that you take, allow the new and fresh oxygen to be sent into the area where you're holding tension. And with every exhale, just release. Now release and come back up. Come back to center. and roll to one side of your body and slowly come to Supta Baddha Konasana. So you will lie down on your back, but you will keep the knees bent and knees wide apart, the soles of the feet together, and just take a moment to relax here. You can close your eyes. Take a moment to relax completely on the floor. Relax any tension. Relax any stiffness. And allow your muscles to become softer and light, completely relaxed. Gently bring both of your legs outstretched and relax completely in this final posture, Shavasana. Relax your upper body completely to the floor and relax your lower body completely. With every inhale, your body is becoming lighter, and with every exhale, you're releasing completely to the floor anything that no longer serves you. Now you may decide to stay longer in this posture, or otherwise slowly come back to any seated position, keeping your eyes closed, bringing your palms against each other at your heart center, and bow down. And let's finish off this practice by bringing gratitude to yourself, to your teachers. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon.